Hi, my name is Gus and I am the co-founder of a company called Ba2you Telecoms and a second company called Ba2you. I'm also a technology fanatic and I currently consult with the American Express as a program manager. I'm accountable for 5 initiatives within American Express. And 4 of those initiatives center around big data, customer personalization, end-to-end loyalty management, data migration. The 5th initiative is one that I'm extremely proud of. It's an entire end-to-end agile transformation of the entire spectrum. I also work as a motivational speaker, and that idea, notion and concept really stems from my wanting to be prolific in producing better and constant results. For the average Joe, I am always interested in challenging the status quo and looking for different ways in which we can throw in lots of consistency and positive change that will continue to push people into the realm of success. And if I can hit a million mark tomorrow where a lot of people are impacted by either what I say or by my aggression or my willingness to just continue to be prolific and being better in everything that I do, that would really complete me. In terms of Ba2you as a training and an IT consultancy company, it's been going for roughly about 4 or 5 years now. And one of the core objectives within Ba2you is to provide and simply bridge the gap between those who want to know more about technology and getting them into a place where they are extremely confident and can go out with a package, with a CV that would work for them. So we cover business analysis, absolute end-to-end within requirements, management, stakeholders, solution architecture, around project management, and also program management as well, which I'm always happy to talk about. But IT in itself simply doesn't focus across all of these 4 different subjects. There are so much more to IT. There's service management, there is stage gates, there is end-to-end solution architecture, which layers over, say, for example, the software development lifecycle. I mean, there's so much more that we talk about during training, but the core and the key for myself is to ensure that we can plug the practical gap that is required by lots of people out there to ensure that they can move from where they are into the sort of roles that 1 will challenge them, 2 will benefit them, and 3 will progress them. In terms of projects that I've covered over this period of time, I remember one of the challenging ones within the BBC where I worked as a product owner that was given a huge task to deliver the mobile app and TV app implementation for Euro 2012, for Wimbledon, for the Olympics, and also for Formula 1. This was an extremely difficult project with aggressive timelines. I must confess that, yeah, we certainly did go slightly over budget, but quality-wise and in terms of time, I did deliver. Within American Express, it's been an exciting time for me. This was a role which I was predominantly selected for, and it's been going pretty well, so I'm excited and looking forward to 2016. I started off in IT as a junior. I'm sure like everybody else, I stumbled into IT and simply fell in love with it, right through from CMS, the customer management system, right through to the CRM, the customer relationship management system, right through to having a good and absolute strong command of the customer journey, looking at different architectures, understanding software engineering, working with developers, be they onshore, offshore, and simply driving through change and providing the required level of leadership along the way. 2016 is a year that I am really looking forward to in terms of deliveries that I will be accountable for, in terms of the changes that I hope to impart into people and the sort of impact that I will have for them as well. So if I wake up in a year or 2 years' time and thousands of people have got that sort of impact in terms of training, in terms of practical knowledge that would help them to bridge the gap, that would really complete me. Thank you.